Hi, I hope that you will be deliriously happy today. I wanted to share the most exciting thing that happens to me and want to just remember that why not take a video for it. And that's click for me and wanted to share with you all of this kind of multi-language of website that I researched through the YouTube and I didn't find anything really specific about it, but something in Indian, but it's not very clear, and I decided that just try to really expand it for you. I have had already a website since 3 years ago, and my website is kind of one language and Persian, and I decided that through all the learning I want to just share my learning to all the world. Why just in Persian? So I decided that I just change it in multi languages. This is our test of my website and the local, and I just first of all I warn you that this course is for the guys that already know Laravel and MVC and know how it works. You know, my channel is about my experience, as not really really educational only. I want to just share my problem solving and how do I deal with it through my research. So I have thousands of views for each of my articles. I don't want to miss it, and if I change to multi-language, I should just like that. It's kind of my my another website that's on the test. I want to show one specific point about it. You know, when you want to just do it multi-language, this website has already have 6 languages that I work with it, and when you want to do it with route, all of a sudden you should add EN or FA segment, for example, for Arabic, for Russia, to it. I should just run PHP Artisan server it to show you. Okay, because I have 2 projects. This is my project on the local. This is my customer project that I want to show you a specific, because I encountered that I know that it should be lots of your question about, and I really researched it and don't have any really good video about it, and I decided I'd do it for you. So our Artisan is running. I decided just let me close this. So Control C, I want to stop that. Okay, and let's go again. So I want to just show you the difference between routing and session multi-language. You know, for example, when I change it to Turkey, it's kind of TR. When I change it to EN also, and so on. And it's changed all the kind of our URL with adding extra segments. We don't want that, because I have already website that have my course and lots of my articles that has thousands of views. I don't want to miss it. But if I want to just upload again in multi-language, it will very change it, and it's add, for example, FA to my everything I have. So what we gonna do in this situation when you have already website? You have a new website is okay, because from the scratch Google will just do it the indexing from the beginning with your kind of prefix, you know. But I had already these URL added to my Google Webmaster. I don't want to lose it, so I use a session instead. And session we use with multi-languages, I wanted to show you that how it works with sessions. And I don't want to code anymore in this course. You can just pause it and do it from my code, because I think that is my experience. Why I do it from scratch? I show you my website and how it works. So for doing that, we need index our master page, that language is in all of it, you know. Let me show you the part. Yes, this is the language part that in our master page, that it's repeating in every single page. So aside this, let's go to our web. We should just try to define a route, and then after that we should decide our controller that add to our web, and a middleware. You know that middleware, because I don't want to just go through that and say to you what middleware, what routes. Maybe in another course I will do it for Laravel, but I research it and I see lots of many Laravel courses that's very complete and very specific. But in this video you have learned lots of new things about multi-language website. So let's just clear picture for you and show you how it works really, you know. We have our browser with I want to just talk about how session works, you know. This is our browser, okay, and we have one button about FA, for example, one button about EN, okay, and we have our application there. I want to just show it here. We have our middleware. I just do it with middleware. We have our routes. I want to just show you in the exact chart that is how it's gonna work. And we have a controller. Just I wrote the control. So when we want to just let me just change the color. When we want press one of them, it's not very big deal. One of them, I want to change our language. It's kind of sending and creating this local with them. This local, it's have content of EN, and for this is FA, and I'll show you how it go through from the code. I want you to just first understand how it works, and then with this local, that through our method that is get, going to our route. Okay, this is first, and from our routes we define a controller that is connected with the route. So it's number 2, and then it defines session. In this part, it's defines session, and for the browser. For example, this is session area of browser, and name that local. This is session that name local, and have value. It's kind of value is, this value is FA or EN. So after we define that in the session area, it's going to check the middleware. Yes, exactly. Our middleware through our pages going to our middleware, and then checked it. If the local exists, change it to whatever EN or FA it is. If not exist, just next request. You understand how multi-language with really with session is amazing, because when you want to do it your website fresh, and for example add 2 language, 3 language, 4 language, everything else, with session you can just keep your URL clean for your SEO. Okay, this is very important for me, and I know that important for all of you. So I want to just really check with you that you understand the meaning of this, and then we go through our code.